3D printing has come a long way. In fact, I've got a 3D printer right there that I've used to print little gizmos and gadgets like this, fidget cube and stuff. But I've got nothing on some of the 3D printing technology that has been developed over the last decade. For example, in 2019, multiple groups demonstrated success at printing things like complex vascular networks or even an artificial heart at Tel Aviv University. In the UK, they were printing artificial bones using regenerative biomaterials. And in recent years, we've had success at printing neural structures on a two-dimensional plane that allow us to potentially replace damaged spinal cord tissue. And just this year, a team of scientists published a paper demonstrating success at printing three-dimensional neural networks. That means, unlike the old ways of printing on a two-dimensional plane, they were able to generate a three-dimensional neural structure that they report started having spontaneous neural activity in addition to responding to stimulation. Because we have to remember that real brains work in 3 dimensions. Those interconnects are very complex and require more than just, a sheet of paper level of connectivity. And so while it might not be like a science fiction novel just yet where we're 3D printing a replacement body, we are already 3D printing replacement body parts.